Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, device with the Android 14 on board, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter recovery mode on Android 14 device. So firstly, we need to press and hold power button. Then choose power off and wait a while. Then press and hold together power and volume down buttons. Great, now you just need to scroll down using volume down button, and here you will see recovery mode. So when you will see, click power button. Wait a while, and here you will see the lane Android icon. So now we need to press and hold power button, then press and release volume up, then release power button too. Great! Now just scroll down using volume down button, scroll up using the volume up button, and choose something using the power button. So for example, I want to reboot to system. To do it, we just need to click on power button, or if you want to reboot to bootloader, so just click on power button to reboot to bootloader mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.